Today we're going to show you how to plug in an LCD screen. These screens have 4 lines, 20 characters per line. You can display text and other ASCII characters. To start, you want to check your board. Make sure that it's set to 5 volts. What you can do, this piece here comes off. If it's on the right 2 pins, it'll be 3.3 volts. If it's on the left 2 pins, it'll be 5 volts. You want this to be 5 volts to run the screen. To plug the screen in, look on the bottom. You've got a set of pins here. On the board, you've got a bank there to plug them into. So plug it in so that your cords here come off on the bottom of the board. And you just plug that right in. As you can see, the screen is showing blank characters. Once you program your chip, it'll be able to output data to it. When you plug the screen in, keep in mind that it's going to use up port D, pin 7 through 14, and it's going to use bits 4 and 5 on port C. So you're going to have to program around that. You won't be able to use those ports when the screen is plugged in. We're going to take a look at some coding so that you know how to program this screen.
So when you want to start programming your LCD screen, you're going to open AVR Studio and create your C programming file. And you're going to need to include the LCD text drivers 328.h. Download that from Angel. If you go to your microprocessors class on Angel, it'll be there for a download. You're going to need to put that file in the same folder as your C file that you're saving to. Once that's there, you'll be able to access this file and use it for whatever you need. Here's a list of commands below that include. You can do things like clear the screen, output ASCII data, move the cursor back home. Below that is an example of how to output a simple line of text. Whenever you use this screen, you're going to need to use the LCD init that initializes the screen. It must be used every time you program with this screen. Once you have that init down, you can start doing whatever you want. In this example, I showed you the command to output the text of "Hello World." As you can see in the list of commands above, there are plenty of commands you can use in order to utilize this screen.